How to fix WhatsApp. Call not ringing on iPhone. Let's get started. If your WhatsApp calls aren't ringing on your iPhone, there are several things you can try to fix the issue. First, ensure that Do Not Disturb DND mode is off by going to Settings, Focus, Do Not Disturb. If DND is enabled, incoming calls will be silenced. Next, check your WhatsApp notification settings by going to Settings, Notifications, WhatsApp, and make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Also, verify the notification settings within the app by opening WhatsApp, Settings, Notifications, and ensuring that call notifications are not muted. It's also important to check your ringer switch on the side of your iPhone. If the orange indicator is visible, your phone is muted, so flip the switch to turn the ringer on. Restarting the WhatsApp app or even your phone can help resolve minor software glitches. So try closing WhatsApp in the app switcher and restarting your phone if necessary. Ensure that both WhatsApp and your iOS are up to date, as outdated apps or system software can cause issues. Check your internet connection as well, whether you're on Wi-Fi or cellular data, to make sure it's stable. If the issue persists, you may want to try reinstalling WhatsApp by deleting the app and downloading it again from the App Store. Following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.